Hi, this is my website, Cleaning with Meaning. The purpose of my website is to gamify spring cleaning and put a new twist on it so that we can help preserve our earth and really make ourselves more clean and healthy. This is my homepage and our About section. We hope to inspire others to clean our environment to help our earth and ourselves. So first you can sign up on our page. I have my sign up ready. Once you sign up, you can then track your spring cleaning. For instance, the amount of trash that you've picked up, the amount of hours you've gone around cleaning your house, the number of rooms you've cleaned up, and the number of hours in other cleaning and miscellaneous activities that you may have done. Once you log points, it will tell you if the data has been recorded. You can then go to the leaderboard. In the leaderboard, it will show you who is on there, and since I'm the only user, it just shows my username. This is my basic web application, and I hope you liked it.